Hi, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Pollen's Vanity Crib, and today's video is we will have a mini review or a quick review of the Nars liquid blush on. So if you know more about this, guys, please do keep on watching. The blush is still intact. I love it! So for more o'clock update, guys, for the blush on, ito na yung blush on, still there. The pigmentation still there. Yes, pag nakita nyo naman, yung shimmer effect niya, nandun pa rin siya. Actually, hindi pa ako nagre-retouch whatsoever, kaya medyo parang oiliness ako. Ayan. So, that's it. So, I'll get back to you later kung gaano pa itatagal yung blush on natin. So, dito na sa bahay. Hindi mo na ako magbuburo whatsoever. I'll do some admin works lang for work. Yan. So, yan. I'll get back to you guys. Para hindi na rin humaba yung video na to, and mabigay ko na sa inyo yung thoughts ko about the Nars liquid blush. But before that, so I'll just be showing you the blush on. So the blush on is like, yung pinaka-bottle niya is like this. Yan yung kanyang appearance. Hindi ko na alam kung saan ko nalagay yung kanyang kahon, pero as you know, guys, alam niyo naman kung ano yung itsura ng kahon ng Nars. It's like all black. Yan. So, parang mattify. Parang nagmamat-mat din yung kanya kahon. And anyway, alam niyo naman kung ano rin yung itsura ng Nars. Because everything pag Nars, matcha talaga. So, the bottle looks like this. Ayan. So, parang ang mahirap lang sa kanya kasi pag matte, pag naanuhan mo siya ng mga powder, kaya nag-stain siya. But, this looks like this. Yan, Nars nakalagay dyan. And just a simple bottle. Just like that. Yan. And when you open, meron siyang pump. Yan. This is Orgasm. Yan. So, this is 0.5 fluid ounce and 15 ml. So, yan. So, may nakalagay din sa kanyang 12 months. Yan. So, good for a year siyang gamitin. Yan. So, where can you buy this Nars Orgasm? Available na siya sa stands in any Nars counter or any Nars boutique, kiosk, whatsoever. Sa stands, makikita niya siya. This cost, sa Nars, it's around 1,700. Pero pag online yung bibilin, guys, mas mahal siya. Mahirap lang kasi sa kanya when you go to the store or dun sa mga kiosk or dun sa mga boutique ng Nars, mabilis siyang maubos, guys. Yes, ilang beses na itong binabalik-balikan ng mga you know, mga makeup addicts. Kasi nga, dahil bago siya and dahil Orgasm, guys. Diba yung mga blush on ng Nars? Yung Orgasm yung #1 talaga. And yun. So, that's it. Yun lang mga options nyo where to buy this liquid blush on. So, I'll just be reading all the claims. Dahil nga wala akong claims na nasa box, I'll be just reading claims dito sa aking internet. Ayan, so it says the texture is very light, so you don't have to worry if you accidentally apply too much. It's sheer and buildable, and the color lasts long. So yes, I agree na very light yung kanyang texture, and as you can see kanina naman, isang very liquidy siya, guys, very liquidy. So there's no struggle pag ina-apply siya sa ating mga ating skin. And I don't agree, actually. I don't agree pag naparami yung lagay mo, hindi siya magmumukhang parang happy blush on day. Actually, pag naparami siya talaga, sobra talaga parang nasuntok. Kasi nasuntok ka na glow-glow ganyan. So, yeah, it's buildable and sheer. And yeah, let's see if this will really last Yan. So, I'm reviewing this at 6:30 guys. So, mga 8 hours na yung blush on sa face ko. Yan. So, this liquid blush effortlessly glides on skin for a long-lasting glow. Yes, it has mga pigments na mga gold. Yan. Just like the Orgasm na powder. One pump delivers the perfect amount of natural looking color. I agree. Just, you need a one pump. And guys, solve na lahat talaga. Both cheeks, meron na siya talagang blush. Ideal for mixing texture. Layer over powder blush for high impact color. Or apply first for a diffuse effect. Go with the glow. So, it's up to you. Ako, ang ginawa ko kanina is, gusto ko kasi ng mga high impact colors. So, nilayer over ko siya sa aking foundation. So, pag gusto nyo naman ng diffuse, pabebe, ganyan. So, hindi masyadong high impact, hindi masyadong, ano tawag dito, hindi masyadong vivid ang color sa inyong face. You can apply it first and then, tsaka mag-powder. Yan. Pero I suggest, mas gusto ko kasi yung high impact color para mas matagal siyang mag-last. Okay, so in details, it's buildable, blendable coverage, lasting color, added Monoy and Tamano oils, known for extra moisture and resilience, foolproof pump dispensers. May extra moisture daw and glow, as you can see naman here in my face. It's really glowing guys. Yan, para ako may oil dyan. That's it. So, actually, meron din ako ng Nars na yung powder blush niya na Orgasm din. So, siguro sooner, I will try to make comparison with powdered and with the liquid blush on. So, I will give you my 2 cents, very honest review about this liquid blush on. First off, yes, pigmentation, very pigmented. Guys, as you can see naman, as first apply, one pump, parehas na cheeks ang aking nalagyan. And second, nandun na lahat, very glowing effect. And kung sinasabi nga ni Nars na may moisture siya, I agree, parang nga may moisture sa face. Hindi siya parang never sticking feeling at first apply. Madali lang siyang i-apply guys. Actually, tapping motion, it can be done as tapping motion. It can be glide also. And hindi masyadong na-transfer sa kamay niyo yung pigments niya, unlike din sa mga tints, mga liquid tints, and the like. Yun yung second ko. And the third, kung long-lasting siya, actually, ang nagawa ko lang yatang review is ang nagawa ko lang yatang update is dalawa, I think. Isang 1 o'clock, isang 4 o'clock. And ngayon is 6:30, guys. Ayan, 6:30. So, as you can see naman, ngayon, at 8 hours, I don't know kung paano nyo siya makikita kasi sobrang ano yung light ko. As you can see, actually sa akin kapag tinitignan ko sa salamin, meron pa rin talaga siyang blush. Yan. Hindi na nga lang siya as vivid as kanina, pero it has blush here. Meron pa rin siyang konting kulay. And ang maganda sa kanya guys, ang effect ng glowing effect hindi nawawala. Parang mas nauna pang nawala yung kulay. Tapos, pero yung mga pigments niya na mga gold shimmering para dun sa glowing effect na parang may highlighting effect, nandun pa rin siya. Kaya ang maganda sa kanya, pag suot mo siya, very healthy skin yung meron ka kasi nga may glowing effect. You don't need to add highlighter at all para lang ma-emphasize na, ay, nag-glow ako guys. This along the liquid blush can give you a very glowy face. Ayan. So, as you can see, dito sa akin, yan, di ba? Hindi to oil, guys, Ito ay glow. Ito yung glow na kasama ng Nars liquid blush on. So, yun. So, for me, sa akin, kung naglalast lang siya, I think, yes, naglalast lang siya for 8 hours. Hindi ko lang ma-push yung sarili ko up until 12 hours, guys. Kasi, gusto ko nang mag-ayos ng sarili. Gusto ko nang magtanggal ng whatsoever sa mukha ko and everything at magpahinga. Yan. So, that's why I'm just giving this an 8-hour review. And sabi naman doon, it will last 8 hours long. So, I agree. Naglast naman 8 hours. Totally, hindi naman siya nawala. Meron pa ring effect sa akin. So, in totality, sa mga blush on na na-try ko, guys, I think this will be my favorite and this really summer ready. So, kung gagawa man ako ng video ng mga summer 101, ganyan, ng mga kit, essential summer makeup or skincare, ganyan, isasama ko talaga itong si liquid blush ni Nars kasi nga, ito na yun, guys, ang sagot sa pagiging summer ready nyo. Ito na siya. So, yun. So, I think if I'll be giving this a rating, guys, almost perfect. Kung pwede nga lang, ano ba, hindi ko masabi, parang sa akin kasi 10 over 10. Yan. Iba kasi sila ang consistency ng mga ginagamit ko ng mga liquid or mga, hindi mga powder blush. For example, ng Glossy Hair kasi it's a cream blush. So, effect niya pag in-apply mo, nagiging parang powdery effect siya. Pero nag-last long din siya. So, iba lang din yung string nilang dalawa. So, kung ako papipiliin, kung kuwari may ride or die blush on, I think siguro ito. Blush na to will be my ride or die blushy. Kasi nga, guys, ang ganda talaga ng effect. As in, wala na akong tulak kabigin pa sa effect ng blush on na to. So, I think that's it, guys. So, yun lang yung masashare kong review sa inyo ngayon. Kasi wala na ako masyadong i-explain dito sa blush on na to. Because, you know, what you see is what you get. So, I think hindi kayo magsisisi pag pinili nito, guys. So, ngayon, tumakbo na kayo sa Nars. And, go get this blushy. So, that's all. That's my 2 cents for this review. Mini review. Quick review, guys. So, sana nag-enjoy kayo at may natutunan kahit may nalaman kayo about this liquid blush on. So, if you do, just give me some loving by liking this video. And don't forget to subscribe now na, guys, dito sa channel ko because we're reaching to 1,000 subscribers. And I will have a mini giveaway for you guys. And syempre, leave some comment down below kung ano pa yung gusto nyo i-review ko in the near future moving forward. So I guess that's it for today. So I'll see you on my next video. Bye!